Hello everyone and welcome. In this video, I'm going to give you a step-by-step guide on how to change your Binance password on both the app and the website. So let's get started. Now on the Binance app, the first thing you need to do is open your Binance app and log into your account using your credentials. Next, you have to tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner. Next, you tap on security. Then tap on password. Once you tap on password, you will be asked to enter your current password. So enter it. Next, enter your new password in the provided fields. You enter the first one and then you enter it again. So you're given 2 fields to enter your new password, and then you tap on submit. Once you've done that, your password has been changed. It's as simple as that. Now, how do you change your password on the Binance website? First thing you do is log into your Binance account on the website with your credentials. Once you've done that, you click on your profile icon at the top right corner of the screen. Next, select security from the drop-down menu and then click on change next to the login password. You see the login password, and next to it you see the word change. So click on it. Then you enter your current password. Then enter your new password in the provided fields again. You'll be given 2 fields, so you enter the new password in the first one, enter it again, re-enter it in the next one, and then you click on confirm changes. It's as simple as that. Please use a strong password. Now, a strong password is a combination of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. Please use that for security reasons. After changing your password, there will be a 24-hour restriction on withdrawals from your account for security purposes. So note that once you change your Binance password, you will not be able to withdraw for 24 hours, that is a day, from your account. Now, by following these steps, you can easily change your Binance account and enhance the security of your account. Hope you found this video helpful on how to change the password on your Binance account. If you did, like and subscribe to this channel for more helpful tips and tricks like this one which we put up every day.